Want to know how to generate random emojis in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So first up, we just simply start by creating an array of emojis and use the random class to pick one random. We have used random class before and as well, so we have also created a video on how to use it, so make sure to watch it. So once that is done, the next int method. We use the next int, which is under the 7th line right here, and we use it to help us select a random index from the array. So when you run the program, it instantly prints out a different emoji each time. It's that simple. You can even expand it by adding hundreds of emojis, making it pick multiple at once. This is a super fun way to practice arrays and randomization in Java. You can just simply try it out and run this code right here, and there you go. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.